Have a great day to my all friends, followers, listeners, over you all. Hope all will fine and doing very awesome trading. Today going to show you and one more day that we started step index robot is making awesome profit. This is a real account and we are running this robot and this account. It's really making very good scalping based profit and really it's very awesome. Look here, 23 is today. Look here, 23 is today and made $14. It's near $15 and $170 is right now the account balance, and the robot is working very awesome really and making profit continuously. And as you guys looking, this is based on scalping strategy. If you want to purchase the robot, please hit us and we'll give you the access of this robot. It's really very awesome thing. Okay, auto TP, auto SL and auto all things. If you want to purchase, simply check the description of this video. Look here, auto stop loss, auto take profit and auto adjusting all things. So if you guys want this robot, it's really awesome thing to make awesome profit daily basis from market. Okay, it's a good tool. Look here, just closed the trade and $173 profit. The total for today is 18.58. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.